When the check engine light goes on, it's usually pretty scary. When that goes off, what do? Well, most people head to a mechanic like me, and I plug your car into a device like this. I've got a bunch of these. And that gives me a diagnostic report about what's going on with your car and tells me what I need to do to fix it. I want to show you something I think is really neat. I just got this. This is the mechanic that's always with you. It's called Fixed. It plugs right into the diagnostic port of your car, just like my big units do here. You pull up a Fixed app on your phone, and it will go through the diagnosis of the car. It'll tell you why the check engine light came on. It not only gives you what's wrong with the car, it'll tell you what it should cost when you go into the mechanic. $60 as opposed to $2,000. So I've got a customer that dropped the car off because the check engine light came on. They don't know what's wrong with it, but we're gonna find out. I've got the Fixed sensor right here. We're gonna plug that right into the port, and through the sensor, it's gonna pull up what's wrong. There we go. Ooh, one issue found. It's exactly the same thing that was on the $2,000 unit. It's the code P0443, the evap purge control circuit. Now, if we want to find out more information, we can tap that, and it's going to give us so much more information than the more expensive professional unit does. So when my clients come in, I recommend they get one of these devices. It makes it easier for me when you do, and for less than the price of a tank of gas, you'll have a mechanic in your car at all times. Thanks for watching.